Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Telegram channel. So in order to actually create a Telegram channel, it's quite easy. So first you want to just simply open your Telegram app, just like I have right here. And then what you simply want to do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to simply click on this little, it's a square with a pencil in it, so you're going to click on it. And then you have a few options, and of course we are going to make a Telegram channel. Now simply click on create channel, and here you can add a channel name, description and picture. So for example, I want to name mine That's Facts JT. I can simply add a picture by clicking on any picture I want and then setting it as a profile picture. And here as a description, I can simply do something like this. Then what you want to do is you want to click on next. And here you actually need to choose a channel type. So you can either choose a public channel or a private channel, which is really straightforward. A public channel everyone will be able to find when they search it over on Telegram. So what they're simply going to do is you're going to type in the channel name, and if someone else types this Telegram channel name you choose over on Telegram, then they will be able to find your name. So you want to simply do something like this, That's Facts JT, and then they will be able to find your channel by this exact name. However, if you choose private, then nobody will be able to join it without an actual invite link, because these are just random numbers and nobody is going to guess it, of course. So you can choose either public or private, whatever you want. Then you want to click on next, and here you can add contacts if you want, however that's not necessary. Then you want to click on next, and literally right now your channel is created, and you can add people by simply sharing the link with other people, which you can also just simply click on subscribers. You can automatically add subscribers. You can share the link by clicking on edit, and then channel type, and then you can share this link, of course. So yeah, that's how you can create a channel, create a Telegram channel. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.